Find d squared y over dx squared if y equals 3x plus 5 all over x squared plus 4. So, kung makapansin mo ing ani, that means yun d squared over y, that means kuan higher order derivatives ni siya. So, maingon kag higher order derivatives, isolve nimo ang ikatulo nga derivative, ikaupat, depende sa exponent. So, kung 3 ni siya diri d cube y over dx cube, that means i-solve nimo ang ikatulo nga derivative. So, muna siya ang higher order derivatives, or i-solve nimo ang tanan derivatives niya hangtod ma-equals to 0 siya. So, dali ang example. So, pangitaw na to ang kaduha nga derivative. So, kini. Then, napansin na to, this is division. So, therefore, ma-apply na to tong formula nga to sa division gihapon nga derivative. Katuganing derivative sa h of x na g of x, derivative sa f of x minus f of x, derivative sa g of x all over g of x squared. So, para mas dali, so mauna tong f of x, no? Muna itong g of x. So, para mas dali, atong isolve na lang daan ng derivative sa f of x. Derivative niya is, diba naman ay 1. So, 1 times 3, 3. So, 3. Then, x is, exponent niya is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So, x to the power of 0 is 1. So, 1 times 3 is 3. Derivative sa g of x, 2 times 1 is 2x. Then, exponent niya is 2, minus 1 is 1. Then, constant man is 0. So, mao ni siya ihang mga derivatives. So, sabdinin na ta sa formula. G of x na to is x squared plus 4. Derivative sa f of x, 3. Minus f of x is 3x plus 5 times 2x. All over x squared plus 4. Tapos squared. 3 times x squared, 3x squared. 3 times 4 is 12. Then, 2x times 3x, negative 6x squared. Then, 2 times 5, positive times negative, negative 10x. All over x squared plus 4. Then, collect similar terms. 3x squared, kini, negative 3x squared. Negative 10x plus 12 all over x squared plus 4 squared. So, mao pa ni ato ang una nga derivative. So, daghag notations man ang derivative, no. Pwede siya ing-ani, pwede po siya y derivative, pwede po siya dy over dx. So, since mao pa man ni una nga derivative, ang ipangita to is kaduha nga derivative, ito na po siyang isolve ang ikaduhang derivative. Then, kini na ito ang gamiton. Mauna po ni ang f of x, mauna po ni ang g of x. So, para mas dali, isolve na lang nato ang derivative. Derivative sa f of x is 2 times negative 3, negative 6x. Kaya 2 minus 1 is 1 naman ang, then, siya 1 times 10, negative 10. Then, 0. Sa g of x, mas dali ini kung ito siya ni i-expand. Kung i-expand na to ni, kay lahi man ang answer sa i-expand. Then, kung idiritso ni mo siya derivative, lahi rayahang derivative. So, this is x4 plus 8x squared plus 16. So, muna ihang g of x. So, kung ito na siyang kuanon, derivative niya is 4 times 1 is 4x cubed. Diba? 2 times 8 is 16x. Then 0. So, mo na ito ang derivative. Then, proceed ta sa ikaduha na derivative. Pwede siya ani, pwede po siya ana, pwede po siya d squared y over dx squared. So, depende lang sa inyong gamiton. So, kinigyan po na formula g of x, then derivative sa f of x, all over g of x squared. So, g of x na to is kini x4 plus 8x squared plus 16. Derivative sa f of x is negative 6x minus 10 minus f of x na to is nakataas ba di eh. Negative 3x squared minus 10x plus 12 times the derivative sa g of x is 4x cubed plus 16x all over g of x squared, x4 plus 8x squared plus 16 squared. So, ito na siyang multiply 6x times x to the power of 4. So, this is negative 6x5. Then, x4 times negative 10, negative 10x4. Then, 8x squared times negative 6x, negative 48x cubed. 8x squared times negative 10, negative 80x squared. So, mana, 16 times negative 6, so negative 96x. 16 times 10, negative 160. Then, data. Ay, kalibog ba ni? Manasumpay. Dali na lang ta ha. Negative 3x squared. Negative 3x minus 10x. So, ito i-multiply. Na negative dali. 4 negative 3x squared times kini. So, negative 12x 5 times naman siya negative dali. So, positive. Tama ba? Positive 12x ay, negative 12x5. Then, 3 times negative 3 times 16, 48. Negative 48 times negative, positive 48. Ano to dali 48x cube. Then, negative 10 times 4, negative 40x4 times negative, positive 40x4. Then, 10 times 16, positive, negative 160 times negative, positive 160 x squared. Tama ba? Then, 12 times 4, positive, negative, times negative, positive. 12 times 4 is 48, positive 48 times negative, negative 48 x cubed. Then 12 times 16, 12 times 16, 12 by 1, 6, 2, 192. 12 times 192x. Positive times negative, negative 192x. Tama ba? Review na to ha. Kini 12x5 negative times negative, positive 12x5. Kini 48 negative 48 times positive 48x cube. Tama. Then 10 negative 40x4 positive. Then negative 160 times 160x squared. 48x4 negative. Then negative 192x all over x4 plus 8x squared plus 16 squared. Then collect similar terms. 5 og kini. So kay naputol ang video, nalubat. So kini nidiretso na ko. Collect similar terms diri naman to. Kini na lang nabilin 48x cube. Then sa x squared negative 80 og 160, so positive 80 x squared. Sa x 96 og 192, so negative 288x. Then 160 constant mo lang nabilin all over x4 plus 8x squared plus 16 squared. So wala naman kayo masimplify, so therefore imong d squared y dx squared, imong kaduha nga derivative is kini na.